In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Clay to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so the process feels quick and stress-free. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click it to open the account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps all the controls for your account and connected experiences, so it's the right place to manage integrations. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Depending on your interface, it might appear as a tab in the sidebar or a category within your settings. Click Apps to open the App Management page. Here you can discover new tools that work directly with ChatGPT and manage any you've already connected. Next, click Explore Apps or Add More. The exact label can vary, but both take you to the same place, the App Library. Once you're there, look for the search field at the top, click in the search box, and type Clay. The results should appear almost immediately. Select the Clay listing to open its details page, where you can read a short description of what it does and what permissions it might request. When you're ready, click Connect. At this point, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to review permissions, sign into a linked account, or grant access so the app can work properly with ChatGPT. Just continue through the prompts at a steady pace and confirm any authorization screens that appear. If Clay provides a brief setup flow, complete it as directed. This ensures everything is configured correctly. After you finish the prompts, you should see a confirmation in ChatGPT that the connection is successful. Often, the Connect button changes to Connected or shows a check mark to indicate you're all set. That visual confirmation is your cue that the integration is live and ready to use. And that's it. To recap, open your profile, go into Settings, choose Apps, select Explore Apps or Add More, search for Clay, hit Connect, and follow any instructions that appear. If you don't see the Apps section or the Explore Apps option, it may be rolling out gradually or limited to certain account types, so don't worry if it's not visible yet. Thanks for watching. With Clay connected to ChatGPT, you're set up to streamline your workflow and make your conversations more powerful, all without any complicated steps.